but she's still alive. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, everybody.
Okay. Oh no, we are stuck at home today and we can't go out. Why?
The weather is horrible. It's been raining, thunder, and lightning.
Yes.
And I just don't want to go outside. So I'm stuck here looking for something to do.
Stuck with me.
That's right.
And I'm stuck with you.
That's fine. And I think we found something to do that's really fun.
Really?
Yes. I think we can share it with all
Okay,
the
let's
kids.
see this. Okay.
All right.
Oh, there it is.
I know. This is...
That looks like you.
It does kind of look like me, except I have more hair. And this drawing might seem really, really, really simple. It's just a guy. But actually, there's something more to this drawing
What?
that you cannot really see. It is a magic growing face man.
Whoa! Whoa!
That's right.
Do it again. Do it again.
Just a normal guy. I don't know what's happening. And then, oh, I want to eat something.
Look at his, that is a big mouth. That's
Yes, that is a big mouth. Okay, so this is something really fun. I drew a man, but we can draw any animal or any person with a mouth. And the way we do it is
Are you gonna
like
show us?
this.
step by step.
Bam, step one.
Step
Get a piece of paper.
Okay.
And
I'm gonna try that too.
all right,
Okay.
there we go. Step two is to to fold it in half.
Fold it in half.
And then
okay,
you
why
can
don't
just
you move
mash
it up a little bit so everyone can see it? Okay, right
There
there.
you go. And you just kind of match these edges and try to get it really nice.
Okay.
And then I like to hold it there and make sure it doesn't move around while I get it like that. There we go.
Okay, I got that.
Okay, so
That's
then
easy.
now,
Wait, this paper doesn't look like your.
this is a B4 or something, but A4.
It works with any
paper, is
paper, right?
fine. Yep,
Okay.
any rectangular paper. So here it is folded like this. And then now we're going to take this bottom edge, this part, and we're gonna fold it up and we're gonna make it line up with this top.
Okay,
And then
I
now,
got that.
we have something that opens.
And then,
Just like that.
okay.
That's pretty cool.
All right, let me show everyone again. Okay,
Sure.
so mine. So if you did it right, it should look like this. All right.
That's right.
Let's show the side view. Woo. All right, all right, all right. You guys are smart. You probably caught that.
Okay, so then now, so just to recap, get a piece of paper, fold it in half, fold this part up, make sure everything's nice.
All right.
And then get a marker.
Marker.
Okay, so the first step that you want to do is find out where is your nose going to be.
Your nose.
And I'm going to put my nose in the middle. This is the middle of the top.
This is a tricky part.
This is the tricky part. So I'm just going to do the letter C
C.
for a nose right there.
Okay.
And then I'm going to draw all the way down like that. So
Can I have a bigger nose if I want?
Sure.
My nose looks like mine's a
That's a big nose.
big
man.
long C.
That's right. So then that's step one. And then the next step is to make the head. And so for that, you just want to make an arch, like a little rainbow, but it can be any shape you want.
Okay,
I'm
rainbow.
going to go like this. And then down like that. Bam. All right. And because this is the shape of the head, and then now I want to make the neck, which is going to come down like that. And that is my head and the nose. And of course, he will have an ear. That's right. So
My neck looks different.
that's okay, because everybody's different.
Okay.
And the next thing you need to do, of course, he needs an eye, and it can be any eye you want. I will draw a big round eye, and I see you. He's looking forward. Okay. And then, of course, people have eyebrows like that. And maybe he's a little older and he has some wrinkles here. That's cool too. All right. Oh, and maybe his ear has a wrinkle. All right.
I don't like the wrinkles.
It's gonna happen to everybody. Okay, so now we have a head, but how can our little guy eat anything? He cannot because he does not have a mouth. So right here, where the papers meet.
Can I show them mine? Mm-hmm. Mine's like that.
There you go.
Okay, all right.
So right here where the papers meet, you want to put a line. And it can
Very
be
careful there.
any line you want. It can go all the way back. It can go all the way, it can be in the middle, it doesn't matter. And that's on the top of my paper.
Okay.
So then on the bottom, I also want to make a line. Like this. Yeah, like just like that. And then now,
There
there you go, there you go. Okay, so now we have a guy. And he can hear us, and he can see us, and he can eat something. And then now we have to finish it. So you open it up.
But there's nothing there.
There's nothing there. So first thing is you have to give him a neck. And so you just connect this line like this.
Oh, okay.
Ta-da!
Connect that, and then?
And then now we got to give him his mouth. And you want to start from this part. And you can make it a little bit of a curved line.
Okay.
Like that. And now he has a neck and a head and eyes and
Okay.
ears, but he has a mouth but no teeth.
Teeth.
So next thing we need to do is draw teeth. You can make scary teeth.
Sharp teeth, you mean? Like
Sharp.
that? Ooh, that does look pretty scary.
Oh, he's like a monster man.
Oh, that would hurt if he bit me.
Don't bite me. I will make half man, half monster.
I'm just gonna have one tooth.
One tooth? Why don't you show us what that looks like?
One tooth.
There you go.
Now two teeth.
Two teeth. Ooh.
Yeah.
And then a little tongue. And now the tongue you can put anywhere in here. And I will make it. Oh, I'm going to make it. A snake dragon tongue.
Ooh.
Okay, just like that. Oh my god.
Snake tongue.
Snake tongue. So when you close it, he looks like some average guy that you might
Hey,
want
it's
to
a
be
nice
friends
man.
with. Oh wow, hey man, you're so nice. What's your name? I don't know. I'm gonna eat you. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? All right, and so then now we can talk about what does this guy like to eat?
Yeah,
What do you think he likes to eat?
I think he likes to eat like squirrels and rats.
You know, a lot of people might think that this guy is a bad guy and he just likes to eat all the cute furry animals. But you know what? Nope. He's a normal guy. He likes to eat hamburgers.
No, my guy likes to eat hamburgers.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Well, I think everybody likes to eat hamburgers.
Do you guys like to eat hamburgers?
I like to eat hamburgers.
Okay, yeah.
All right. He likes to eat. Well, why don't I just tell you? Yeah, he likes to eat hamburgers. He likes to eat pizza.
Pizza.
He likes to eat vegetables. He likes to eat fruit, chicken,
Yeah, chicken.
and
Did you say pizza? You said
I did
pizza already.
He likes to eat donuts.
Donuts.
and
Cake.
Of course, he likes to
Cake?
eat cake. Yes, he does. And what about your guy? What does he like to eat?
I think he likes to eat everything your guy likes to eat,
yeah.
except for the rats and the squirrels.
Aw, man, you know
He likes to eat rice and sushi.
And now, here, I'll show you a pro tip.
Okay.
If you drew a man, but you didn't want him to be a man and you wanted to draw a girl, it's very easy to draw some beautiful
he's transforming him.
hair for this amazing, beautiful, look,
There.
that's a beautiful woman now. And
Yeah.
you can even give her like
Oh, eyelashes.
eyelashes. Oh, she's so cute. And then, but she's still a monster. Yeah, I like how that becomes like the neck hair. I'm like,
Wait a minute. No.
Yeah,
It's like
that's
a
pretty
mullet or
funny. Yeah,
something.
right? I still eat you. All right.
So if you're gonna do it, I think you probably want to extend the hair, right?
I don't know. I kind of like it. I kind of like the neck hair. Or maybe even here. Oh.
You mean like you could do that if you want, or you could have that.
That'll make it
weird
more
haircut.
beautiful. There we go. Hi. How are you? I'd like to be your friend. Come here. Come closer.
Okay.
All right. So, and there we have it, guys. If you are stuck at home on a rainy day and you are looking for something to do, you can try to draw your very own.
Yeah, here you go. All right.
Monster mouth guy.
I want to see your pictures, okay? Yeah. All right. Have fun at home.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.